So in order to solve this question, we're going to use certain x values to find certain y values, and we're going to graph it to see what this graph is going to look like. So we're going to plug in 0 first, so it's going to give us -1. Then we're going to have negative cos 30. Negative cos 30 is equal to around negative 8.66. Then we have negative cos 60, which is going to be equal to negative 1/2. Then we have negative cos 90, and negative cos 90 is going to be equal to 0. Then we have negative cos 120, which is equal to 0.5 or 1/2. Then we have negative cos 150, which is equal to 0.866. Then we have negative cos 180, which is equal to 1. Then we have negative cos 210, which is equal to 0.866. Then we have negative cos 240, which is equal to 0.5. We have negative cos 270, which is equal to 0. Then we have negative cos 300, which is equal to negative 0.5. Then we have negative cos 330, which is equal to negative 0.866. And then finally we have negative cos 360, which is equal to negative 1. Now that we have these values, we can plug them in to a graph. So we're going to have 1 here, this is 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240, 270, 300, 330, 360. So using these, we're going to plug these points in. So there's 0, -1, so we have -1 out here and 1 up here. So we're going to start down here. Then we're going to have 30 around here, 0.5, around negative 0.5 around here. So just plugging in all the points. Okay, so these are approximate. We connect all the dots here. So it's a rough drawing. So this is going to be y is equal to negative cos x. This is going to be regular cos x. So as you can see, they're similar in terms of their x intercepts, which are both going to be 90 and 270 in this case. But what's different is that it is going to be inverse, so it's going to be flipped about the x-axis. So your y values are going to be the complete opposite, the complete negative of the y value seen in y is equal to cos x.